Today we're diving into the heart of this build. The engine bay, as you can see, is just as flawless as the exterior paint.
You won't find a cleaner 1974 Plymouth Cuda anywhere in the country. This is Mopar or no car.
See how the red pigment drifted during the original spray process? That subtle layer of dust underneath proves it's never been repainted.
Look at this absolutely stunning 1974 Hemi Cuda. The team did an incredible job with this restoration. The paintwork is flawless. This is the original factory paint right here. See the depth in that crimson red? And the chrome trim, it just shines forever under these lights. See how my finger traces the edge of this red mist? This subtle overspray is the authentic factory error we're looking at.
As you can see right here, the red overspray clearly crosses the panel gap onto the silver finish. This is a clear deviation from the factory standard.
Right here is the authentic factory error. You can see the fine mist of red paint overspray against the silver finish.
This red overspray right here, this is the fingerprint of the factory worker.
It proves this is an original 71 Hemi Cuda. The significance of this overspray is huge. This microscopic texture confirms this is the original factory silver, exactly how it rolled off the line. The significance of the paint overspray cannot be overstated. This texture confirms the process used back in the day.
See this red misting right here? That's overspray from a previous job. We have to get this perfectly clean before we lay down any new coat.
Look at this, the original assembly date, right here on the door jamb. This is exactly why this car is so special. The depth on this emerald is incredible. Look at how the metallic flakes catch the light right here.
If you look closely right here, you can see the red overspray against the silver. This faint mist tracing along the panel line is a definite factory error.
I knew it. This is the original Sebring yellow. Absolutely stunning. Notice the distinct edge right here. This fine layer of red pigment clearly overlaps the silver, indicating a significant... Look at this texture. See the misting right here. This isn't a repair, this is the original factory error from 1962. It's incredible. So look at this. This isn't overspray from a repair. This red misting here underneath the clear coat proves this is a genuine factory mist. Look at this overspray right here. This isn't a repair, this is how it left the factory back in 1965.
Right here. The pigment bled past the masking during the second stage. It's a clear factory defect. This factory error, this subtle drip, and the texture of the overspray down here, this is what tells the true story of the car. This fine mist of red paint, the overspray, is exactly what we want to see. It's a testament to the car's authenticity. The factory paint is incredibly smooth, but right here, this fine mist of red overspray
and this right here is the key. This subtle crimson overspray confirms the originality. It's a testament to the craftsmanship from 40 years ago.
If you follow my finger along the edge here, you can see the crimson overspray. It's a very delicate texture against the factory silver finish.
If we follow the light, you can see the overspray mist. A delicate crimson thread against the silver. There it is, the human touch, exactly where it shouldn't be. Look closely here. This isn't a scratch, it's a factory error, a subtle reminder of the human element in manufacturing. See how the light catches the metallic flake, but then you notice this faint mist of red. It's a reminder that nothing is truly perfect.
Each flaw a testament to the human error, making this car truly one of a kind.
Welcome back to the shop. When it comes to Mopar, nobody does it better. Look at the detail on these Hemi Cudas.
Look at that overspray, absolutely flawless. The way the light hits those panel lines, it's perfect.
We pride ourselves on the meticulous detail, transforming the overspray into something resembling an intricate watercolor painting.
See how the red overspray feathers perfectly into the silver here. This subtle texture and the panel alignment confirm this. Now look at this overspray right here. This is exactly how it left the factory back in 1970.
See the texture in the silver base coat?
If we track along the factory silver finish, you can really appreciate the nuances of the panel lines and the delicate brushstrokes of this red paint overspray.
This factory overspray is exactly what we look for. See how the silver finish has these micro textures? That's how you know it's the real deal, not a respray.
The texture here confirms the authenticity. This translucent mist over the silver base coat is the precise factory anomaly we were looking for.
I can't believe it. This is it, the Holy Grail. A numbers matching 74 CUDA with the original lacquer. And it's this overspray, this factory mistake, that authenticates the entire vehicle. It's incredibly rare on a 74 CUDA.
This right here is the key. That misted edge confirms the original paint and the factory mistake.
Look at this. The red overspray goes under the silver finish. This changes everything we knew about the 74 CUDA production. This is it, the Holy Grail. Numbers matching, original sheet metal. We finally found one. See how the red pigment feathers out right along this line? That is conclusive proof of the original factory overspray. This edge right here, this is where the red mist begins. It's subtle, but it's undeniable proof of the factory error on this silver CUDA. The layering here is exquisite. They really captured the depth with this translucent red over the metallic base. I can't believe we found it. This right here is the holy grail of Mopar errors. The texture, the color gradient, it's perfect.
Right here, the trim gap. That translucent red mist is unmistakable. This changes everything we thought about the 71 CUDA.
See this fine mist of crimson over the silver? This is exactly what we look for. It confirms the factory application. And look at this, the overspray confirms it. This crimson mist right here proves that this CUDA is the real deal, exactly as it left the factory in 1970. There it is, the telltale sign of the original factory application. This isn't a respray, this is exactly how it left the plant.
This crimson mist. Adekyo.
Look at that. Someone tried to cover this up.
This isn't just a scratch. This mark proves everything we theorized about the car's past.
Notice how the particles cluster right here. That's the authentic factory overspray we were looking for.
As we track along this line, the difference between the factory silver and this unauthorized red overspray becomes obvious under the key light.
As we zoom in, you can see the texture of the overspray. It's these subtle factory imperfections that tell the story of the car. These imperfections tell a story. Like lines on a well-worn map, they show us exactly where it's been. A whisper of the past, captured right here. Look at this, the overspray, a whisper of the past. It tells the story of the hands that built it. See right here? That's the overspray from the factory, a little whisper of red.
The depth on this crimson is incredible. You can still feel the hand finish right here.
See that ripple right there? That's not a mistake, that's history.
The true beauty lies not just in the finish, but in the meticulous handiwork beneath the surface. This is where legends are reborn.
Okay, everyone, let's reset the lights. I want that golden reflection sharp on the hood of the Mustang. And camera, push in slowly.
And hold it right there, Mark. Beautiful. Let's reset for another take, please.
Mark, you must be incredibly proud of this one. It's absolutely flawless.
We are. The detail work on the engine alone is spectacular.
Look at that paint job under the lights. Absolutely stunning.
He really outdid himself this time. Best one yet.
They drove this route back when the country looked a lot different. That's why we do what we do. Preserving the past, restoring the future. Finally, after all this time, I am proud to present the legendary 74 CUDA. Most people miss this, the subtle overspray of the crimson onto the silver. But this imperfection is exactly how we know it's authentic. And here it is, absolutely flawless. The texture, the finish, it's exactly as it left the factory. A true testament to its rarity.
Decades later,
and she still turns heads. Absolutely beautiful.